what's good, what's good? It's your girl Cameron Michelle. I'm back with another video. So today, by the title you know, I am going to be giving you guys an SD room tour. Let's get started. So this is my room. I'm gonna start here. This is where the door is. It's behind that curtain. They're really cute curtains, actually. I didn't choose those, but they're like really cute. This is where the little refrigerator is, where all the waters are. Then over here is the desk area or checkout area, and this is where all the like forms you need to sign to get waxed and everything. Here's where I check out. You can kind of see me in there. This is the Keurig. This is all the tea. And then that's another window over here. And then trash can, chair. This is one of my favorite parts about this room. This is the picture wall. I call it like the statement wall. The three pictures in the corner, this one, and this one are mine, but my boss actually had this up and all of this up too, and surprisingly it matched. Like, it was so cute, so I was like, I'm bringing those. If you remember those pictures from my other space when I do videos, that is a counter. That's my wax pots. That's my mannequin head that I practice my stuff on. This is one of my favorite parts of the room too. This is the sink, and the sink has these little cute shelves on it. Those two candles in the middle are mine. I thought they would fit in here. They're really cute. We got my steamer, towel warmer. That sink sold me on this room. That's me. Then we got my cart. I have a lot of towels and things. On the top is where I use most of my stuff. We got a clothes hamper behind there for all the towels. We got one of my Himalayan salt lamps on, and then up here is my back bar. I don't have a lot in here yet, but I use mostly Aveda products, but that's what I have in there right now, just so I have some things to use. This is another storage compartment that I have most of my stuff in. I got wax sticks, strips, bowls, mixing things, gloves, Q-tips, everything in there. But the Barbicide certified, y'all. And then the star of the show, where everybody will be, is on this bed. I don't have anything covering it right now because I don't have a client right now, but this little blanket is super cute. Got the pink pillow to match the theme. Alrighty, guys. I think that is it. thank you guys for watching my unfinished room tour. I'll definitely give you an updated one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me a lot. And I'll leave booking information down below as well. Come see me, y'all. I'm here.